All you can talk about is money. Entire ecosystems are collapsing.
What?
It's actually true today.
Yeah, right.
Jeez Louise. How you doing, Dex? We're live,
Doing great.
everybody. It's Dex's crypto market update. We're also live on Rumble. Check out PulseWave Trading over there. We're live streaming. It seems to be working. I haven't promoted it that much because I want to make sure it's working.
Yeah.
But we're over there, folks, and we'd love to see you there too. So check out PulseWave Trading on Rumble and YouTube and all the others. We're here. So, Dex, how are you doing today, man?
I am doing great. Good to be here.
Excited to get into these markets. I know you're already in them. You've been in them all day.
Yeah, pretty much. You know, it's been one of those weeks. I know Monday's the holiday and the markets are closed, so most people are taking advantage of the 3-day weekend. They're making it a 4 or even 5-day weekend by leaving the office today. So yeah, I mean, I think the volumes are going to stay like they are, pretty light, pretty anemic, and I think that for the most part, the markets are going to be relatively quiet, not really doing a whole lot. Even though like right now with the Dow being up 473 points, you would think, oh man, the Dow's on fire. No, it's not. That's nothing. It is fallen thousands of points. So technically we're not doing anything. It's still down 4,000 points.
Barely.
Anyway you slice it, the Dow is down 4,000 points.
Something else is down. Bitcoin's got a pointer form in there.
Yeah. You know, let me explain this Bitcoin chart for those that have missed the last couple of evenings of my end of day reports. Okay, so what has happened is we're in a very controlled consolidation right now. The major bearish pointer is 2 weeks ago, as you see there on the chart. And what the market is doing, it's trying to build up enough pressure so that when the market breaks, we put probably in a new leg lower in the Bitcoin. I don't think we rally from here. I think the market's going to fall from here because that bearish pointer has to be reconciled at some point. You know, pun intended. So you always have to keep that in the back of your mind. No matter what you see happening, you got to remember that the bearish pointers and bullish pointers operate like gaps in a market, and the market will at some point reconcile that. So I'm not too excited. I know the old, adage, don't short a dull market, which has truth to it. But in this particular case, what we have here is a bearish pointer, and it will be reconciled at some point. So just remember that going into it, that 25,350 low print on the Bitcoin futures will be reconciled. Right now the market's flat, so take it for what it is.
The ETH pointer is even worse because it goes below the previous pointer. So and that we got one today. So
and see, it's already starting to move down today.
Yep.
Bitcoin is not. Bitcoin is kind of like hanging in there. It's just flat, flat line. But I have to say, man, it's looking like it too wants to pull back and take out the 1709 low print on the Ethereum future. So, and that's a bearish pointer too, and it's almost getting close to it. It's threatening to take test and take that out. Possibly today. We'll see, but I don't think anything is going to be fireworks until next week when the markets come off vacation. Then we'll start to see something a little bit. But right now, if you haven't been paying attention, my portfolio is on the dashboard under Dex's watch list. I've been covering that in the daily trade journal reports as well. Yep. I'm holding on to that, and that portfolio is increasing today. It's an equity portfolio. Reason being, when we see consolidation like this in the cryptos, it mimics the futures contracts exactly. So you see consolidation like that, it's telling you a story. It's telling you that you need to, chill out, so to speak, lay off of it, because the market's not going to do what you hope and expect that it will do. It's doing the opposite.
Mhm.
So you don't get hurt. You pay attention to those signs. And right now, the market has ceased trending.
We're going to look in more detail at your ETH trade momentarily because it's time for our Thursday trader training. We're actually going to be doing that in about 30 seconds. So if you're a PulseWaver, you have a membership at pulsewave.com, head over to the blog, head over to the dashboard rather, and click on the Paradise blog, and you'll see today's trader training. We're going to go live there momentarily. And the way you get access to these trainings, pulsewavetrading.com. Pulsewavetrading.com. You can get access for as little as $11 a month to our twice-a-week live trader training. Or if you want to go for the full package, we have a 14-day free trial for new members to our pro membership. Thousands of PulseWave price trigger reports. Folks, these reports are published every evening, starting Sunday evening through Thursday evening. They're simple, discrete numbers that you can use to figure out how you want to get into the markets on any given day of the week. Extremely powerful, extremely usable to help you get the most out of your trading. And now we have twice a week, Dex is coming on, taking people's questions for often extended periods of time. Sometimes we're in there quick, but many days he's there for a long time. And not only that, but we have our journals being posted for our pro members. And on Sunday evening, the PulseWaver Paradise people get the full journal. So there's tons of stuff there for everybody. So pulsewavetrading.com. We're about to continue the discussion with our members. Head over there. We'll see you there in just a few minutes. And that's all we've got for today. We're over and we're out.
Peace.